In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp. Marking a task, push task complete, might sound simple, but doing it the right way ensures your team's workload, timelines, and reports all stay accurate. It can also trigger automations or update dashboards, so let's walk through it clearly and make sure nothing gets missed. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign in. You'll land in your workspace where you can see your spaces on the left sidebar. A space is basically a top-level area for a team, project, or department. Choose the space that contains the task you're finishing. If you work across multiple spaces, pick the one where that task was created so your status updates apply in the right place. Next, switch to the board view inside that space. Board view shows your tasks as cards organized into columns, usually reflecting your workflow, like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Complete. This view is great for moving work forward visually and makes marking tasks as done quick and obvious. If you don't immediately see Board, look for the View tabs near the top of the screen and select Board from there so you're looking at your tasks in columns. Now, locate the task you want to finish. You can scroll through the column where it currently sits, or use filters and search to narrow down the list if your board is busy. When you see the card, hover over it so the quick action icons appear. This makes it faster to update without opening the full task details. To mark the task complete, click the check icon that appears when you hover over the card. The check will apply the completed status, and the card will move into the completed or done column, depending on how your workflow is named. You'll also see the status update on reports and anywhere this task is referenced. If your team uses watchers or notifications, they'll be updated automatically, keeping everyone informed. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If you accidentally mark the wrong task complete, you can change its status back from the task card or inside the task details. If your workflow includes a review or QA column, make sure the task has truly passed any required checks before clicking complete so your metrics stay clean. And if you're following due dates and priorities, confirming those are accurate before completing helps maintain reliable historical data for future planning. That's it. You've successfully marked a task as completed in ClickUp, keeping your board tidy and your team in sync.